All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Hbar community. Shout out to each and every one of you guys for showing so much love. Cannot thank you guys enough. But yeah, without further ado, let's take a look at what's happening and, of course, what we could be expecting going into Wednesday morning. Looking across the board, sea of red. But, we did start off on a little bit of a positive note as far as Tuesday morning is concerned. But you are seeing a little bit of a pullback as we did close out the day of, Tuesday. If you're looking at the coins, a few handful coins, BGB, Litecoin, Ohm, Uni, and Hbar. Hbar is actually holding on to the momentum, which is really nice to see. So it tells you, the amount of, momentum it currently has, which is great to see, at 3.7%, while the broader market is seeing a little bit of a minor pullback. If you're looking at it on the hourly time frame, we are starting to see some coins going into the green, which is nice to see. But yeah, Tuesday was a great day. Of course, the RLUSD launch as well, and on top of that, the Pudgy Penguin airdrop, which changed people's lives. So, shout out to anyone that was able to get that airdrop. I got that airdrop because I obviously I'm a Jupiter staker, and I am an OG Solana trader as well, and of course Ethereum. So if you did that as well, you qualified. So I would recommend you guys checking your wallets. Be vigilant as to what links you're clicking. So what I would recommend is going onto the proper, appropriate, Pudgy Penguin link, and making sure, triple checking, make the double check it, like triple check it, 4 times check it to see if the link is right, then connect it, because there's so much scams going around. So I would definitely check, if I were you, to see if you guys qualified. But with that said, let's take a look at what's happening with Hbar. Before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So the price is currently sitting at 28.76 cents, up 3.4% in USD, but it's up 9% in Bitcoin comparative, which is really nice to see. Market cap at about $11.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 1.3 billion. Looking at the Bitcoin dominance index, it is pulling down. I mentioned this in my XLM update. If you did end up watching that, this is a great sign right now, because what Bitcoin did also was, Bitcoin actually saw a retracement. And look at this, as of recording this update, the previous all-time high, which was around the $104,000, that exact same level is playing as a level of support. And that tells you everything you need to know, how important the previous resistance really are, because when we do break those resistances, they generally do tend to play as support when the price goes down. But Bitcoin has been on an absolute tear. Bitcoin is going insane, and that's amazing to see. But yeah, a little bit of a downside for BTC, but what's really, really interesting right now, and that I like, is the fact that you're seeing the dominance not continuing to rise, is actually going down. So that's great to see. But let's take a look at what's happening with Hbar. Of course, this right here is the daily time frame. I'm going to switch to the hourly to make you guys understand what's really happening on the closer time scale. So let's give it a refresh live. Hbar USDT. There we are. Okay. So we will take a look at it on the hourly time frame. There we are. So we saw Hbar obviously bouncing back and forth within the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. What's quite interesting here is we did not see the retest down to that 27 cents mark, because of course market did see an uptick, and if you watch my XRP update, you saw XLM, you saw Hbar, and you saw XRP moving up, and that is also a reason why you want to be paying very close attention to a little bit of a correlation between these projects, because US based projects, a lot of excitement. Cardano is one of the ones that is lagging, and you kind of falls in the same category. But you are looking, again, if you're looking at it from the hourly time frame, a beautiful bounce, above the 0.50 fib zone. We made our way up to 30 cents, but you never saw the price closing around that range. So of course it's really, really important. I apologize. We did actually see the close in the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, but we're briefly below that. But the fact that we were able to close in the 0.50 fib zone is really exciting in my opinion. And that gives me more hope that, we do start seeing the price of, Hbar start retesting the 31 cents key resistance, because if that 31 cents key resistance is able to break out, I think we could be on our way up to that 33 cents, and then after that, it will pretty much clear to retest the yearly high. So in terms of the way it has been consolidating, I tell you guys this day in, day out, you want to be focusing how well this project is consolidating above this key support. Are the rumors true? Is that why the price of HBAR is holding too good? Is the demand just too high for HBAR? And those are some things we need to obviously be asking ourselves. But really, really impressed the way HBAR continues to hold, and especially right now, if you're looking at it on the daily time frame, we're seeing the broader market down, and HBAR still one of the very few coins up 3.4%. So credit belongs where it's due, and this is the beauty of doing day-to-day analysis, because we can see the shift in the momentum, and we are seeing that right now. So I don't care if the price of HBAR continues to consolidate more around this range. That is a good thing, because once we do see that breakout, this exact same level is going to come as a major support for us. So I like what I'm seeing. Let me know down below what you guys think. Remember, we have retested the support before, and look at these moves back, quite fast. Right now, we are seeing BTC volatility as well, and of course, retail interest is not as high as it was, in November. But I do believe, that will return. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.